Akidearest, and welcome everybody to another episode of Why Japan?
A series that I do here in Japan where I go to different department stores and find different inventions and products and bring them back home, review them on camera, and determine whether or not this product is bizarre for the sake of being bizarre, or as my mother likes to describe me, bizarre but useful. I have 3 products here today. One of them I've got to put inside me. So without further ado, drum roll please! Introducing this thing that I found recently. It's called the Super Cold Box. This little black box is meant to be at your desk and it's supposed to keep your drink or your snacks cold. It's supposed to be very convenient for you if you want your drinks nice and cool, but I mean, okay, so I found this online and I'm going to test it out and stuff. Super Cold Box. Is this like what you put on helicopters to record what goes on in case of a crash? So it looks like you have to plug this in. So this part has a foam outer material that looks like it was kind of super glued onto here. And the inside, I want to say it's almost like plexiglass. Oh, wait. Wait, is this tape? And I have some milk with me because that's what I drink totally when I'm at my desk working. I'm just gonna say this right now as I'm setting this up. This is very bougie and it seems very bulky to have at your setup. Okay, so it's plugged in. I'm gonna switch it on now. Oh, there we go. Oh, that is actually quite a lot of noise. I don't know if you guys can hear that. I'm going to try to see if I can get this to show on camera of it adjusting. So it's just progressively getting colder the longer that I have this thermometer in here. Oh, we're already at 19. I've been doing this for about 7 minutes now. My arm's getting really tired and it's getting really cold in this room. 4.4, 3.9, 3.9. The Super Cold Box advertises that this thing can go as low as 3.4. And until I see 3.4, I'm not moving. Yes! Okay, I have my light. There is some frost developing on the inside. Wow, that is super cold. Let me know, would you guys find this useful? Look at that. I can now enjoy my daily snail eating videos while drinking a carton of milk thanks to the Super Cold Box. I wonder if I could put water in here. I think I had enough fun testing the Super Cold Box. Time to rate it. Did it work? Yeah, it did. I think it met up exactly as advertised. I mean, it took a while for it to get cold, but it eventually got there. Not that I can really tell the difference when I drink something between 10 degrees and 3 degrees. There is some advertisement saying that like some people put chocolate in here, which I can see that working because chocolate does melt quite fast. Second question, is it useful? I guess I'll technically say yes, it's useful, but I've always frozen my stuff in the freezer, and if you don't care about the noise, then sure, will I keep it? I want to see if this thing's gonna be useful next summer, though I have a big feeling that I'm not going to use it. So if anyone watching this wants to ask me when it hits July, hey Aki, are you still using that? I will let you know on Twitter so that you can follow me there in the link in the description. So was it worth the price? Mind you, I bought this off Amazon Japan. It was 4,527 yen, which is like 40 bucks. 40 bucks to keep your drink cold is not worth it in my opinion. Had I not wanted to make a video, I wouldn't have paid 40 bucks for this. Next product, fog-free splay. Classic translation problem when it comes to L's and R's, I swear to God. Japan, you have all the money in the world to make products like this. You can't just like do a little commission for a translator to just be like, okay, this is how you write things off. I've always wondered about, let me just focus on me. I've always wondered why Japan doesn't put money into paying for their English teachers to just maybe just translate some of the things that they make. Like sometimes I wonder if maybe English speakers are just having such a field day trying to read some of the terrible English translations that's like, we're not even gonna try and help with this. I like the fact that this is so butchered that I can't read it so that I can share it on Twitter for everyone to see. Okay, so getting into the fog-free splay. So dumb. So basically, I'm going to tell you guys something about this product. I got this at the department store, right? And this was almost sold out. So this isn't just like some bizarre product that I'm trying to find just for the video. This is one of those products where a lot of people here legitimately do get. In Japan, most bathrooms have a full body mirror as you're taking a shower or a bath, because what we do here is that we sit in a chair and we have our bucket or we have a shower thing and we just shower our body with it while we look in the mirror. That's just what we do. So because we use a full body mirror and we wash ourselves, steam happens and you have to do this stupid motion to try and clear out the mirror. So this spray is supposed to prevent the steam from fogging up the mirror. I have to test this out. Ta-da! Okay, now this one I'm gonna put the spray on. Do I just... I don't know if that was too much. Oh, I think it's the camera. This thing's actually working. It's been about like 4 minutes and it still hasn't fogged up. I don't think that the camera is getting it, but I can see the spray slowly dripping down, but it's definitely not fogging up as fast as the last time. We're already hitting like the 5-minute mark here. Hooray for fog-free spurt. Oh wow, my camera is fogged up. I know I wasted water in this video, but it was for the sake of science, and science says that this thing works. I think I put too much though, but it worked. I let the water run at the same temperature for the same amount of time. Time to review the fog-free spray. I can't stop saying we're sticking with spray. Did it work? It did work. And this was almost sold out in the department store, so I can see why people get it. Is it useful? I really hate wiping that mirror down every 5 seconds when the fog comes up again, so yes. I can't find the exact brand online, but everything that is like this is around 1,000 yen, so we're just going to say it's 1,000 yen, which is roughly $10. I think it's worth 10 bucks. I mean, I think you have to put a lot less than what I did on your mirror, but am I gonna keep it? I can see myself using this from now on in the showers. I'm probably gonna use it tonight. We have one more product. This product is going into me. It's food. A while ago, I saw an article that said that the grocery stores were going to release a new flavor of yogurt. Here's me going to the grocery store to get it. I hate tomatoes. I really do. I don't like the shape of them. I don't like the taste of them. I don't like the texture of them. I'm usually not a picky eater, but the foods that I don't like are things that I feel are the simplest things to like. I don't like tomatoes and I don't like carrots and I don't like pickles. And yet I'll eat balut any day. Or shirako, which is fish sperm sushi. Yes, that's a thing. You want to know what's even more wild is the fact that I will eat caprese salad, right? I know a lot of you are watching this and thinking, Aki, what the fuck? It's literally just straight up tomato. It's slices of huge ass pieces of tomato with mozzarella, spinach, olive oil, black pepper, and salt. There's really not much that should take the taste out of tomato. If anything, it actually overpowers everything. I know, I get it, but I don't get it. Any judgments that anyone has of me right now, it's completely valid. If anyone wants to explain the contradiction of what I just said, I would love to hear the science behind it because I don't understand it either. And yet I will not eat tomato on something like this, or this, and let alone this. Sorry, my chair is squeaky. So this was totally not going to be something I would eat, but I will on camera. I'm using my favorite spoon for this too. I haven't even eaten dinner yet, so this is the first. I have to do a big bite because that's what everybody wants me to do, right? That is very strong. It's so strong in flavor. It's nothing but tomato. I like ketchup, right? And it's as sweet as ketchup. It's as sweet as you probably expect yogurt to be. But it's so strange with tomato, dude. It's like if you put a tomato in a milkshake and water down that milkshake. There's a huge chunk of tomato in here. I'm very convinced that if I just train my mind to like it, I don't like it. I really don't like this. Why Japan? I have never actually seriously said why Japan under a serious tone. It's the weirdest flavor. What are those vegetable juices called? V1, V something, V2? It's like that, but if it were yogurt. I can feel my brain being like, stop fucking eating this. Okay, well, I'm just gonna go review it. As you can see, I'm actually really depressed right now. Did it work is a weird question to ask for this. Did it taste good? Do I feel happy? Will I finish this? I feel like a little kid that's being forced to eat their vegetables, man. That's for the... See, now I'm disoriented from the taste. But before I finish that, I'm going to finish this video with... Thank you guys for watching. That was why Japan. If you guys happen to stumble upon any products or ads online that you know that I might find here in Japan, feel free to tag me on Twitter so that hopefully they can end up on this show. If not, I'm still going out. There's tons of things that Japan has to offer, like the other episodes where I display even more products that you guys can check out. But I appreciate you guys for watching and subscribe and all that jazz, and I will see you guys in the next video. Outro.